Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 5 to the power of c minus 3 to the power of c equals to 544, and we solve this problem for the values of c. So here in this problem I will introduced a unique method which I think so you cannot see this type of method here. Okay, so this method is called the reverse engineering method. I can apply the reverse engineering method in order to solve this problem. Okay, so in reverse engineering method, the very first step we are going to do is first we need to take the base of first term equals to a. So you see here the base of this term is 5. We denote it by 5 and the base of this term is 3 and we call it b equals to 3. Okay, so when you substitute these two values on this equation, then it will be written as a to the power of c minus b to the power of c equals to 544. We call this is our equation number 1. And now further in the next step, here we need to take the squares on this term and this term as well, so that this equation implies that here we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So we know that a square becomes a square and 5 square becomes 25. Similarly, b square becomes b square, 3 square becomes here 9. Okay, so we call this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. So now in the next step here, first we need to subtract these two equations. So we write it as subtract 2 by 3 we get. So when you subtract these two values, it means that the left hand side is subtracted by left hand side and right hand side is subtracted by right hand side. So it will be written as a square minus b square equals to 25 minus 9. Okay, so we write it as a square minus b square equals to 25 minus 9 equals to 16, and we call this is our equation number 4. Okay, so further if you see here, we can first subtract these two equations. After that here we need to add these two equations. Okay, so that now we will add equation number 2 and equation number 3. So when you add these two equations, it means that left hand side is added by left hand side. So we have a square plus b square, and right hand side is added by right hand side. We have 25 plus 9. Okay, so 25 plus 9 equals to 34. So we have a square plus b square equals to 34, and we call this is our equation number 5. So now here we need to focus on equation number 1. So in equation number 1 we have this is equation number 1, and in the right hand side of equation number 1 is 544, and now we need to write 544 into the prime factors form, so that we write 544 as in this form. So that now we divide it by 2, and we have 2 2s are 4, we carry 1, 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. We again divide it by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, we carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, we carry 1, and 2 8s are 16. So we again divide it by 2, and we have 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and we have 2 17s are 34, and 17 ones are 17. Okay, it means that we write 544 as 2 multiplied by 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 17. Okay, if you multiply these 4 2's and these 2 17, then we will obtain 2 times of 2 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, it is multiplied by 2 17s are 34. Okay, so it means that we write 544 as 16 times of 34. Okay, so that now we need to copy down equation number 1 here, so that from equation number 1 we copy down equation number 1, it will be written as a to the power of c minus b to the power of c equals to 544. Okay, so we can replace 544 equals to 16 times of 34, so it will be written as 16 times of 34. Further, you see here from equation number 4 and equation number 5. So in equation number 4 we have 16 equals to a square minus b square, 34 equals to a square plus b square. So we will just write it here using equation number 4 and 5. We can use these two equations and we write our above equation as in this form. So we have a to the power of c minus b to the power of c equals to, this is 16. By equation 4 we write 16 equals to a square minus b square multiplied by, this is 34. In equation number 5 we have 34 equals to a square plus b square. Okay, so that now here we need to focus on the right hand side, and you know that if we have x square minus y square, it is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. Okay, so according to this nice formula, we need to, if you can combine these two terms, we write it as x square minus y square. Similarly, if we combine these two terms, we write the square of first minus the square of second. And now after combining the right hand side, we have a to the power of c minus b to the power of c equals to a square and its whole square minus b square and its whole square. So we write it as a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. Okay, so that now we need to compare both of the sides. So when you compare both of the sides, we will obtain here easily a to the power of c equals to a to the power of 4 and b to the power of c equals to b to the power of 4. So both of these equations implies that c is equals to 4. It means that c equals to 4 be the final answer of this question. And now here we need to verify this value of c. So that in order to verify this value of c, we need to copy down the given question statement here. So given question statement is 5 to the power of c minus 3 to the power of c equals to 544. So when you put the value of c here, it will becomes 5 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 544. And you know that 5 to the power of 4 equals to 625. 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81. We check is this equals to 544. So when you subtract these two values, then you easily get 544 equals to 544. This shows that the value of c satisfies the given question statement. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.